Hey, I'm Christian Yobert from Resolution and welcome to today's Monday.com for Jira tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a successful connection between your Monday.com instance and your Jira Cloud Instance. This will all happen while making use of our Monday.com for Jira app, so please make sure that you have this app installed on both instances in order to successfully establish a connection. Let me jump into my Monday.com instance and see what that looks like. In Monday.com, I can see that I have the app installed, but I don't have an active connection. I can fix this by heading over to my Jira instance. From here, I want to click on Apps, followed by Manage Your Apps. Because I already have the app installed, I can go and click on the Monday.com configuration. In here, I can see that I also don't have an active connection, so I go ahead and click on Create Connection. I give my connection a name. I select which user groups I want to have part of this connection. And I also select which Jira projects I want to include in this connection. I can click on Next. And in step 2, I can see that I'm prompted to install the app to my Monday.com instance. Because I already installed the app to my Monday.com instance, I can go ahead and skip this step by clicking Next. Step 3, I need to authenticate my connection. I go ahead and click Authenticate. I can click on Connect to your Monday.com account. And here I can finalize authorization by clicking Authorize. I see a success screen as soon as the connection is successfully established. I can go ahead and click Continue. And that is how you successfully create a connection between your Monday.com instance and your Jira instance by making use of the Monday.com for Jira app. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and we hope to see you in other tutorials soon. Cheers.